The law of attraction, or LOA, is not just an idea, but a very simple yet a very important law of the universe, which has been proven by scientists and psychologists and believed by saints across the centuries. LOA states that like attracts like, that is, whatever energy and thought you create, you will attract the same energy and the same thought in return. We can also term it as a chain reaction. On the surface level, let's look at it in simple words. That is, if you give out good vibes, you will receive good vibes. So, if you are kind, you will be paid with goodness and kindness by the universe, sooner or later. Now, you would be wondering how and why later. The answer to it is very simple. It actually depends on how convinced you are on your vibration. So basically, your intensity of conviction decides when you will get what you want. In case you are convinced that you will reap what you sow, then no matter how the other person behaves or how adverse the situation is, you will end up receiving the fruit of the tree you planted. Basically, you need to know that the universe works on your command, and we, as humans, attract whatever we think. But the point to be remembered over here is that the universe is directly connected to our subconscious vibes. So, if you know how to tap into your subconscious mind, you will be able to attract any desired results. The more convinced and the more easily you are able to tap into your subconscious, the more easily you will achieve your goals. However, in case you are unable to tap into your subconscious level, you will end up being the recipient of whatever comes your way, whether you want it or not. So, in this course, I will be teaching you how to tap into the energy of our subconscious world to achieve the results you truly want. I am Shweta Jain, an NLP Master Practitioner, Wellness and Student Coach. And over a period of time, I have counseled a lot of people suffering at the hands of their unawareness, which stops them from achieving what they truly desire and land up attracting what they feared. After helping these people, I felt my calling was to create this magical life-transforming course that will help you tap into this beautiful law called the law of attraction, thereby taking your life into a favorable direction, thus helping you achieve a whole new level of happiness. Keep watching my videos, and I am sure you will not only enjoy them but also learn from them, thereby enabling you to make transformational change in the right direction.